Yes. Hello everyone, and I welcome you all in mathematics class. Yes, and I hope you are all fine and doing well. Yes, and today we are going to study the topics that circumference of circle and area of circle. Okay, as you are seeing the figure here, that area of circle is pi r square here I have mentioned, and circumference is the length of the boundary around this, you can see around this circular shape. So length of the boundary that we are measuring here, I have shown the diameter and radius. Okay, and it is here third video for this week, students. So now let's start. As you can see, the first topic is circumference of circle. So here you can see that the circumference, we can define that the circumference of a circle is the length of the boundary of the circle. Just I have said is the length of the boundary of the circle. As like this only, the whole boundary you can measure with a measurement tape only. You can measure around that. Okay. So, and this by formula we are saying that circumference is 2 into pi into r, where the value of pi is, you all know, value of pi is 22 by 7. In rational number we are taking this. Actually it is an irrational number. Okay, but its approximate value is 3.14 we are taking in decimal, 3.14, and in rational it is approximately equal to 22 by 7. Okay, so we take the value 22 by 7 for it. Okay, but actually it is a irrational value, experimental value, irrational value. Okay, and you can find its value when you divide the circumference by double of radius. When you divide the circumference by double of radius, or when you will divide the circumference by the diameter, that means circumference c, that is divided by the diameter d, then you can find the radius, you can find that constant pi. That's why we are saying also that the ratio of circumference and diameter is a constant, and that constant is an irrational number that is represented as pi. Okay, now area of circle is, we can define that area of circle is the region occupied by the circle in two-dimensional plane. That means it is a two-dimensional figure. Circle is a two-dimensional figure. So how much region it is occupying on that two-dimensional plane, that is called its area. Understood? How much two-dimensional plane is region it is occupying. Okay, a circle is occupies it occupies some region in the two-dimensional plane. That is region measurement. When we are doing that region measurement is only the area. So you can measure the area, okay, of the circle by this formula. Here r is the radius I have shown here in this circle, and a is showing the area, and pi is the constant of circumference and diameter. Just I have told you previous topic, circumference by double of radius or circumference by diameter. It is the ratio of pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter. So that you can find pi r square. But pi value you will take, if it is not given, you will take 22 by 7. Okay, don't find the circumference and diameter for that. It is generally you can take 22 by 7 for pi. Pi value you will take this only. Okay, understood? And the decimal, in decimal you will take its value 3.14. that is better for you, 3.14. Okay, now we have this question that find the circumference of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. So first you will find how you can see. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, we will write, and this is the circle I have shown, where radius I am showing 14 centimeter. You can see radius is 14 centimeter. Radius comes from the center and it is touching the outer boundary. Okay, then it is 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 centimeter. This 7 we can cut that 7 into 1 times, and this 7 into 2 times. Then we can write 44 into 2, that is 88 centimeter is the circumference. Okay, 2 into 22, 44 into 2 is 88 centimeter is the circumference of the given circle. Then now in this question you can see the diameter of circle is 98 centimeter. The diameter of circle is 98 centimeter. Then you have to find the area of this circle. Find its area. It means this circle area you have to find. Then diameter given, first write that what is given. Diameter is 98 centimeter. Then its area is diameter by 2. Radius equals to diameter by 2, because we know that radius is half of diameter. So diameter by divided by 2 is the radius. That is 98 by 2 means you will get 49 centimeter. 98 by 2 is 49 centimeter. 49 centimeter. 98 divided by 2. Then area of this circle is pi r square. Put the value of pi, that is 22 by 7, and then 49 square. This you can write unit here, that centimeter square I have written here. So 49 square means 49 into 49. So 49 square it is, because 2 power is given on 49. So it will be multiplied 2 times with itself. So 22 by 7 into 49 into 49. So that you will write 7546. When you will multiply, you will get this only. This you can cut 7 into 7 times. Okay, then 22 into 7 into 49. You will get 7546 centimeter square. Okay, so this way you can find the area of circle. Now, area of semicircle. Next topic is this only, area of the semicircle. So that also you can find. In semicircle, figure is like this. It is half of the circle only. It is bisected by the diameter. A whole circle, when bisected by the diameter, it is divided in 2 parts and both are semicircle. So here area of semicircle you can find by this formula. Some questions are given on this also, that whole circle area you will find pi r square, and that you will divide by 2. So pi r square divided by 2 means half of the whole circle area. This is the area of semicircle. Okay, and semicircle means only it is half of the circle. Okay students, now you can do some homework for it. There's exercise 11.3 from NCERT book. From NCERT 11.3, chapter number perimeter, chapter name perimeter and area. Complete that exercise 11.3, question number 4 to 15. Okay students, so thank you all of you, and do watch this video nicely for understanding these all topics, and thank you all of you, and have a nice day.